Hey guys, Franco here with Trading Futures Live. This is another episode of Walk It Off. This is the number 6. I want to talk about overconfidence, how it affects you and can make you make mistakes, and how bad is overconfidence as a comparison of fear. And I do think is equally or even worse than fear. So George is going to elaborate more on the theme. What do you got to say, George?
Yeah, no, I think that was a good. It's, it's certainly equal to fear, in my opinion. The overconfidence can certainly affect your trading. It's really that simple.
Do you think you are invincible? You think you cannot lose, and whatever risk that you take is just simply
Yeah,
whatever it is,
and
right?
it's really easy to get overconfident after even just one winner, two winners. I had one winner today. I don't necessarily think I got overconfident afterwards, and I was certainly done trading for the day. But you feel good, and you tell yourself, "Oh, I got this!" And then the next day, it's a whole new day, right?
Yep.
Yesterday, I was actually very frustrated and very down on myself after the trading day. I didn't take any trades, and that was my frustration, was that I didn't have a way to get into any trades. My setups wouldn't have worked out anyway, so it's a good thing that I didn't take any trades, but still I was just frustrated with my trade plan and my trading style, that I've been taking very, very, very few trades over the last month. And so then today I took one trade. It was a great trade, a winner, but very easy for me after being frustrated yesterday to get overconfident, and so I certainly get happy. I don't want to say happy per se, but it being Friday, not taking any more trades, and not coming back to another trading day tomorrow, feeling overconfident, having the weekend to level out. In trading, you never want to get too high, you never want to get too low.
Here's the main idea. The market is driven by two basic emotions, right? What are them?
Fear and greed.
Fear and greed, right? So when you're greedy, you just want more, and that is what happens when you are overconfident. You think you cannot lose, right? And you just take higher risk that what you should be taking, right? And guess what? The market is so unpredictable, but that's not the right word. That's not the word that I want to use. Is so how do you say, George, when is yeah, it's unpredictable, but that's not anything can change at any time. That's the market, right?
Yeah, volatility.
So the volatility and the situations. So when you get overconfident, it's simply so bad, because you can destroy everything you have worked for. Like if you have been disciplined for a few weeks and you have taken the right trades. I'm not talking about winners. I'm saying trades that were according to your plan, right? But then you have a run up. You have a winning streak, and then you get overconfident. You start taking crappy trades, and the worst thing can happen to you is that you win those crappy trades, because you start to think that crappy way of trading it's profitable. But I'll tell you, for my own experience, everything we talk here is because we have passed by, or we have lived the experience, right? So, and it's curious because I felt very overconfident yesterday. I was telling George, look, I feel cocky. I need you to help me with this attitude. As I certainly understand that I've improved and I have gotten better in my risk management and in other aspects of my trading. But guess what? I went to my journal, not the H1. I went to my personal journal last night because I journal every day. This is a personal journal. It's like I feel good, I feel bad. And I do remember because I won't forget it. June 2021 was one of the worst months I've ever had in trading. I had a couple of days that I lost $7,000. That's way above my number. And I can tell you these words because I've written upon them. Like I have testimony about what I was thinking those days. And guess what? That overconfidence just vanished in no time, because just going through those lines reminded me how fragile we can be and how respectful we have to be to the market, because the market will humble you. It will. If you act cocky, if you act like you're invincible, at least in trading, you will get hit hard and with losses. And then not only financially you will be hurt, but the most important is the mental account, is the one that I want to preserve, right? Because the mental account is something that it requires a lot more job than a bank account. On a bank account, you just put money on it, right? If you have a job, you take money and then you fund the account and then you have another account. But your mental account is certainly a thing that you cannot fund with a click, right? You need to work hard. You need to do the job. You need to journal. You need to learn. You need to, whatever you do. Like for me, it's meditation, exercise, diet, a bunch of things that I do every day to maintain my resiliency. Because to manage stress, you need to be resilient. And I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing, but trading can be very stressful if you let it, right? Yesterday I felt very, very cocky because I had a pretty much okay week, but I had an okay month, and I've been very consistent for the last months. This year I've been very consistent. So, and I do want to keep improving, right? So that's my words today for you guys, because fear and overconfidence are worse, the worst extremes emotions that fucks your trade. So I don't know what else you want to say.
And it's something that never goes away. Something you got to work on every single day. That's why we do these walk it off sessions, not even these walk it off videos for you guys. I mean, we walk it off every day ourselves. When we're done trading in the morning, we go for a walk because we have to clear our mind. We have to release the stress, the fear, the greed, whatever emotions that have a hold of you at that moment. You need to release them so that you can think clearly when you go back on the charts. If you're frustrated and angry and being greedy, you're driven by emotions and not by thought, and your brain can't actually even function. So it's not something that goes away. It's something that you're gonna have to work on consistently, and that's yeah, that's all I got.
All right. Well, let's wrap it up.
We'll end it there.
Yes.
Have a good one, guys. Remember to like and subscribe. And remember, we won't be trading the week of July 4th. We'll catch you guys back
The 11th.
the 11th of July. Take care.
Bye now.